The Coinstore Futures bonus is designed to help new users to experience futures trading without having to invest real money. The bonus can be used to offset trading losses, transaction fees, and funding fees. While the bonus itself cannot be withdrawn, any profits generated from using the bonus can be withdrawn. Coinstore will online campaigns every week. You can get futures bonus by completing tasks. Once you have completed the task and won some futures bonuses, you can find it in the coupon center. For the futures bonus, the rules may be changed sometime. Read the rules like max leverage, available trading pairs, and validity period before you start using it. You may go to trade with it. After reading the rules of futures bonus, click the coupon icon. You can use futures bonus to trade now. You can read Coinstore Futures bonus and help center for more details about it. The campaign Your New Year Gift, $1 million in futures bonus, is ongoing from January 6th to March 6th. You can get futures bonuses by participating in any campaign.